Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will learn and write 10 lines about Puducherry. You can also write this content under the topic 10-line essay on Puducherry in English. First line is, Puducherry is a Union Territory located on the southeastern coast of India. Second line is, it was formerly known as Pondicherry. Third line is, it was a French colonial settlement until 1954. Fourth line is, the place still retains its French influence, evident in its architecture, cuisine, and street names. Fifth line is, Tamil is the official language and is widely spoken by the local population. Sixth line is, agriculture is one of the most important occupations for the people here. Seventh line is, it is also known for its beautiful beaches. Eighth line is, tourists from all over the world relax and enjoy water sports here. Ninth line is, its tranquil atmosphere and vibrant culture make it a popular destination for tourists. Last line is, it is one of the cleanest and best cities in all of India.